We're so very proud of Bailee Schmidt.
She came to us, when she was in the 11th grade and came in, with a very serious attitude. She was a very dedicated student from day one and still is.
A lady on TikTok reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in going to a welding competition out in Houston, Texas. Tulsa Welding School is hosting a welding competition with the top female welders from across the nation. Me and 3 other girls are competing to win a $20,000 scholarship to give out to somebody through social media or to a career center or somebody that we know in our families. And I plan on giving that scholarship to somebody at Bonds if I win it.
This is absolutely a big deal. 4 girls across the country coming together, battling to see who's the best. It's a changing in the guard in this country, and so many females are getting into welding.
A big part of the competition is making sure that everything is square.
Me and Eddie are like brothers. We're like Bailee's welding dads.
And it's been a privilege and honor to be with her in this journey. This is payday for a teacher. When you have a student come to you and you invest 2 years of your life in their training, and you see them to go on and excel in their career and in their field of expertise, it is just a blessing to see something like this happen for them. And if she wins this thing, we would just be so grateful for that.
Me being back here it's made my heart whole again. Like, I miss being here. I loved it. It's an amazing program.
There's going to be some kind of a chart or whatever to kind of guide you in how to set this.
Coming back and practicing with Mr. Varholey and Squires for the past couple of weeks, anything and everything that I could learn in here, they taught me.
Bailee's taken it to that next level of being a national brand where people all over the country know about Bonds in Greer, South Carolina.
Me as a person, I think that women build the world. I just have an amazing opportunity and I'm just really excited. I'm ready.